Hi everyone, I wanted to talk to you about study skills on how to be successful in this course. The first thing I'd recommend doing, if you haven't already, is go to the content tab, go to the syllabus, and then go down to the course schedule and print it or save it to your desktop so that you can watch it. You may even want to put in things like dates on your personal calendar or on your phone for reminders so you don't miss anything. Or just schedule time every day to check into the class and check the schedule every time you log in to make sure you don't miss anything. So once you've got the schedule somewhere where you'll check it every day, read the announcements as soon as you get into the class. And then when you start your work for the day, go to the content tab and go to the module you're on. So over here on the left, so let's say you're on module 3. Start at the top and click on every folder. So here's the introduction folder that tells you what we're going to be learning about. And then you can click on these arrows to go to the next folder. Here's a list of the activities that we've got. Here's an exploration. Fill out exploration or videos or resources or something to help you with what we're going to be learning about. And then there's some questions to help you think about what you've learned so that you're ready for when you see these content later on. So you click on it and it will open somewhere else. Then click on the next arrow and it'll take you to the next thing. So you'll want to post in the discussion. And then once you get to the discussion, you'll come back here and notice how there's check marks next to the things you've completed. And now you can click on the graded activities in Pearson. So for example, when you click on the homework, it'll open up in a new window slowly. And you can use the breadcrumbs to go back. So go through everything. And review the instructions, just get everything in there. I do want to show you a little bit about Pearson's and there's the study tools available. And so I need to find an assignment that's open in this course. So here are the instructions about the assignment. And here's the assignment itself. So when you click on the problem, you'll see there's a view an example, and that's my favorite one because it could do the same problem with different numbers and shows you how to solve it. And then if you need more help, there's a video or the textbook. And then every problem has a link to StatCrunch, and we'll be using that a lot in module 2 and module 4. And then you can go from problem to problem here. So use those resources to help you be organized. I also recommend maybe even printing the homework because the quizzes come from the homework and the tests come from the quizzes. So when you're working on a problem, if there's one that is challenging, you just want to print the screen or write down your work and show how you solved it. If you can do the homework, you can do the quizzes. If you can do the quizzes, you can do the tests. I want to show you a little more about the quizzes and you can review. So here's this Pearson MyLab e-text. And if we come down here, here's the grade book. And in the grade book, after you've completed an assignment, it's going to show up in here and you can review it. So on the quizzes, you have 2 attempts and you can review it between your attempts so that you know what you got right and what you got wrong. And so you can click on the problem and it will show you what you'll see is the correct answer. And then when you put your mouse over it, it'll show you the answer you put in. And so you can see what you put in and what the correct answer was. And so on the quiz, if you review after you take your first attempt, then you can get help. And your school may have a tutoring center. And also, if you come to the course homepage, so click on the name of the course and scroll down here. Here's this 24/7 online tutoring, and you'll click on it. And it'll show up a little bit differently because you'll be connected through you as a student and not me as a teacher. But you click on it, you connect with a live tutor, and you can pick statistics. And if you want to take a picture of what the problem you're working on, you can submit the picture so they can see it. And that might be easier because of special symbols. And they're 24/7, so if you're working on it any time of day or night, you can get help. They don't want you to be stuck on a problem for more than, 10 or 15 minutes at the most without watching the videos and doing what's in the course to help you with. But after that, if you're still stuck, you need to get help right away. So another recommendation is, I'll post this in a different video, is how to organize yourself. And so I will post another video about how to be organized so that you have access to all your notes and can get to them quickly when you're taking those timed quizzes and tests. So good luck and keep me posted. Thank you.